Service required. Let's reset it. Come over to your cluster here. Let's go to setup. Easily go to setup right here. It'll pull up this screen. Go to vehicle. Some cars you go to cluster to reset. This one, you're going to go to convenience. So if your cluster don't work, go over to convenience. You're going to come over and you have your service interval and the reset. And just hit yes. And that should be it. Come back, we'll shut the car off, restart it, and see if it's gone. There, nothing came up. Reset. That's all there is to it.